Good morning. Are you a baby boomer who wants to start a YouTube channel and you feel like you're getting pulled in every direction? Find your niche. Follow the algorithm. Here, we give you 10 tips on how to start your uh, channel and to be successful. How to get your first 1,000 subscribers. How to get your first 500 views. Well, I'm here to say, toss it all out because I think that's one of the worst ways to start. In my experience, because I've tried all that, I've taken classes and I've had worked with a mentor, and it's just too much of a formula. I mean, all those things are good to know, but the best thing you can do is just pick up your phone or turn on your camera or your laptop or your computer and just record yourself. And record yourself and all of your flaws and all your vulnerabilities. Because today, anything that you would want to know can get answered by AI in seconds. But what's lacking is the human element in your life experience. And the best way to get in touch with that is to pick up your phone and start recording. As hard as that can be, as awkward as it is. And the more you do it, the better you're going to feel about your message and who you are and being on camera. And don't worry about how you look and don't worry about what you have to say. Just do it. And you can look back on your videos and, think about some constructive things you could do to change. But I say, pick up your phone, record yourself, upload it. If you don't know how, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video about that. Um, Authenticity is just, we hear that word a lot, but it's something that's so lacking in our culture today. And we're one of the last generations to have been raised without technology. I mean, I was using a slide rule for chemistry when I was in high school. I think the calculators had just come up. They were way too expensive. I didn't get one till I was in college. But we're the last group of people that know what it's like to live in a real society, not a virtual one. And that's what people are yearning for, is that realness. And that's something that we have as baby boomers to offer with all of our lived experience and with all of the ups and downs. So I encourage you, just pick up your phone today. Pick up your phone today when you get off this video and just make a quick video of yourself, and don't worry about everything being perfect or scripted or what message you're going to send. Just talk and share your life and it'll all come to you, and then post it and let me know how it goes. All right, I hope this helps.